This is my sister and dad acting like birds. Seriously, they're acting like birds, and I don't know why. Especially my sister. Acting like a bird.
Yeah, go down, honey.
Look, she's acting like a bird. So is my dad, I don't know why. Acting like squids too. Really weird. And there it goes again. Trying to fly, but they're failing epically. There goes my sister and dad. They're being birdies. And seriously, it's starting to creep me out. Stop being birdies. You aren't birdies. Why are you guys being birdies? You guys don't have hollow bones. You can't fly. You guys don't have feathers. You cannot fly.
Yes, you
Seriously.
Can. Yes,
Stop
you
it.
Can. Fly like a birdie. Yeah.
Stop flying, guys. My whole entire family has gone cuckoo. They're trying to fly. Especially these two. Look at them. Now they're just hovering. And that's it. That is my video. Goodbye.